Welcome to AutoSens, the world's leading community for ADAS and autonomous vehicle technology development. We create best-in-class events, training, and information for the purpose of connecting the global community of engineers, scientists, and other automotive industry experts. Today, we welcome back to AutoSens Chad Kobylanski. He is the Automotive Sensor Market Manager for Shin-Etsu Silicones of America. He joins us again here at AutoSens. Chad, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Hi, Carl. Good to see you.
Chad, give us an overview of Shin-Etsu Silicones and get us caught up on the latest news from the last time that we talked.
Yeah, sounds good. Our parent company, Shin-Etsu Chemical, is one of the largest chemical companies in the world. We have many market-leading product divisions. We're the worldwide leader in the manufacturing of PVC, semiconductor silicon, rare earth magnets, synthetic quartz. Number 2 in methyl cellulose, and number 4 in silicones. So we are Shin-Etsu Silicones of America, and we are headquartered in Akron, Ohio. So my division department is with the RTV group, which manufactures silicone adhesives, encapsulants, conformal coatings, thermal interface materials, and other encapsulants. So that's the type of materials that we're developing specifically for AutoSens and all these automotive sensor applications.
And Chad, since the last time that we spoke, what have been some of the latest developments? What's kind of new on your end for Shin-Etsu?
Yeah, so we're really just trying to follow the market, see where new product development is needed to support the sensors, really the advanced driver assistance systems, the ADAS, the automotive LiDAR applications. So just trying to see, as the levels of autonomy are increasing around the vehicle and more sensors are being implemented, to identify the segments that need more material support with silicone, with high temperature applications and other applications like that.
Yeah, and Chad, let's continue on with that thought. What are some of the opportunities then for silicone in the automotive sensor market?
Yeah, so we can identify numerous sensors around the vehicle. So camera, radar, LiDAR, all of those different sensors for, again, the ADAS and LiDAR around the vehicle. And also, with electric vehicles, charging applications now, actual chargers, the actual station, which need protection, moisture, and gas protection. And then also some onboard charging applications inside of the vehicle as well.
Chad, what specific products do you have right now? What products are available from Shin-Etsu Silicones of America? And then furthermore, how are they supporting the design and the growth then of this automotive sensor market we've been talking about?
Yeah, so we've developed just recently some new UV activated silicone adhesives. So really all these sensor packages and again, even outside of the sensors, in the charging stations and other applications, these adhesives, they need to cure at basically room temperature. There's a lot of sensitive components around, on the boards and outside of the chips that can't cure at high temperatures. So we've developed some UV activated silicone adhesives that can be applied, cured initially with UV to start that cure schedule, and then completed by just room temperature. These have zero curing shrinkage, so there's no bending or warpage on boards or anything. So that's one focus right now for us, is promoting those types of materials. Another is, just our wide set of silicone encapsulants. We've been getting more questions and interest in protection from moisture and other gases, and these encapsulants really do protect and create a barrier around the boards and the sensitive chips and components. And then basically outside of the silicone adhesives and encapsulants for protection, we have a full product line of thermal interface materials. So we have dispensable types of TIMs. These are thermal greases, grease with solvents, and one main product line right now is our gap fillers, which is our SDP series. So the SDP series gap fillers, these cure at room temperature, two-component material, so just requires a mix, and then they cure at room temp and cure into like a soft, very soft pad-like material. So that's available in a wide range of thermal conductivities, all the way up to 13 watt per meter K now. So really improving the thermal conductivity of all of our TIMs. And then we have the thermal interface material for the rubber side, which is our soft and hard pads, phase change materials, and double-sided tapes. So basically just trying to dissipate as much heat away from sensitive components, and a lot of these chips that are getting hotter, basically hotter, generating more heat, and they need something in there between the heat sink and other boards that can take that heat away and reduce the overall thermal resistance.
Right. And Chad, one thing I always enjoy talking to you about when I do interview you, and I like asking you this question, if we don't have protection from the elements, if we don't have a dissipation on those thermomechanical loads, what happens for your customers or for those sensors if we cannot protect them from the elements? So that said, what are some of the benefits that the Shin-Etsu product line offers with regard to your customers like that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so really, with silicone, it's such a good all-around material because it's got that high heat resistance all the way up to now over 200 Celsius. It's got good chemical stability to protect against other like oils and things to the touch. And then on the thermal interface side, it's taking away the heat away from sensors and other chips that really improve the overall long-term reliability of those devices. So that's really what we're trying to do is, as these next gen designs are being developed right now, we're trying to improve just the way everything works with those.
Chad, why the move to the EV charging stations? That was new since we last spoke. What prompted your move there to invest and take an interest in that space?
Yeah, so we're definitely, they're very new. The charging stations, really everything EV related is very new, and we're seeing more into these designs and seeing what inside the modules, what materials are there or isn't there to help protect and help the overall design. So we're seeing in some cases there isn't material there, like a conformal coating on a circuit board. So really, the silicone from our side is insulating and helping electrical insulation there to for any thermal runaway or electrical runaways there.
Chad, I always think this is such an important and fascinating topic. It's great to have you back at AutoSens. Before we close, I want to encourage all of our viewers and attendees to find out more information about Shin-Etsu Silicones and the work that they're doing. Chad, where can our viewers connect with you? Where can they find you and learn more?
Yeah, so we're at shin-etsusilicones.com. We're on LinkedIn as well, myself. Feel free to check out our website, reach out on LinkedIn, and we have many sales teams that are available on there and should get right back to you.
Chad, again, thank you for your time, and look forward to catching up with you on site in Detroit. We'll see you then.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks, Carl.
For more interviews like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow the AutoSens LinkedIn page. For more information on our world-class events, visit auto-sense.com. That's auto-sense.com. In Detroit, on behalf of AutoSens, I'm Carl Anthony.